A social dog does not necessarily mean a crazy one. A real social dog is one that's able to maintain their focus, listen to their commands, and respect the space around them, no matter the situation or environment. One of our favorite activities at group training is this socializing exercise. First, all dogs stand in a circle with their handler. Then, one at a time, they walk towards another dog, and the handler tells the dog a command. They then move on to the next dog, and so on, until they're back in their original spot. When both dogs can stay steady next to their handlers without breaking focus, that's when we see true social behavior. It means the dog is confident, respectful, and under complete control. A responsible dog is a true social dog.